let's say you've been given this scratch card here. To win this kettle here, you have to you're allowed 3 scratches, and if you get two two or more present icons, then you win. If you get 2 or more crosses, then you wouldn't win. So for example here, let's scratch this one at random here. So you're allowed 3 scratches here. 1, 2. Well, here I've lost because I've scratched 2 crosses. So hang on, let me just reset this. Okay, or let's start again here. You're allowed 3 scratches. So for example, I could scratch this one here. So this is a good outcome here because I've got a present icon. My job's, well, you're allowed 3 scratches, and you have to try and get 2 present icons. So for example, let's say this one here. This one here is no good. I'm allowed 3 scratches, and the aim is to get at least 2 present icons. So here I would win here, okay, because I've got 2 here. Okay, so hang on, let me reset this. So here, if I scratch, I don't know, let's say this one here. So this is no good. If I scratch this one here, this is no good. I could scratch a 3rd one, but it makes no difference because I've already got 2 crosses. If you get two or more crosses, you in effect you don't win the kettle. If you get two or more presents, then you win the kettle. So if I clear this here, hang on, let's see. The ratio, okay, don't worry about this too much. The ratio of presents to crosses would be 1 to 2. What that means is for every one present icon, there are two crosses. Okay, so if you look at this, or 1 present, 2 crosses. Okay, 1 present, 2 crosses, and let's say 1 present here, 2 crosses here. 1 present here. Well, that's what ratio. Well, don't worry about this ratio thing too much. Okay. Well, you've got 15 slots here, and five are good. Okay, and 10 are bad. So let's put this thing on again. Hang on. So let's start again. So wait there. Bear with me. So here, given this scratch card here, you're allowed 3 scratches. If you get 2 or more present icons, then you would win. So let's pretend I didn't know. I'm going to scratch this one here. Now in my next 2, I have to get a present icon in order to win. Now here, if I get another present icon, then I would win. If I get a cross, then I'd lose, because of the 3 scratches, I have to have at least 2 present icons. So let's scratch this one here. So here I don't win the kettle. Well, the question is, what is the probability of you winning this kettle, or what is the probability of you winning this game? Okay, so let me clear this. So here, by looking at this here, work out. So here, remember, I've got 15 possible slots. 5 are good, 10 are bad. What is the probability of me winning this game here? Okay, so press pause and have a go. Try to draw a map of. Imagine you imagine you are here at the moment. Hang on, let me reset this. Imagine you here. Let's you got to put yourself in the position of you playing this game. So, for example, let's say I'm going to scratch this card here, this slot here. What you have to think? What is the problem? Well, you got to think. On your first scratch, what possible outcomes what possible outcomes would there be? Well, you could get a present, a cross. Okay, so what is the probability of you getting a present? What is the probability of you getting a cross? So suppose you just scratch this one here. Whoops. Hang on. suppose you just scratch this one here, and it happens to be a cross. Okay, that means you've just gone down. You've just gone down this route here, a cross. Okay, and then now you've just done the cross. What is the probability if you get? Well, you could get a present. You could get a cross again. And what is the probability of you getting a cross? And try and identify which branches you would need. Remember, you need 2 presents in order to win. Okay, well, anyway, do whatever you want. Hang on, let me clear this so that you can see. Okay, what is the probability of me winning this scratch card game? So press pause and have a go. Okay, so again, let's draw a map of all the things that could happen. You are here. On your first scratch, you could get a present or you could get a cross. Okay, probability of you getting a present is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 out of 15. Okay, 5 out of 15. Probability of you getting a cross would be 10 out of 15. Okay, so now let's say you've just picked out a present icon. Now on your second scratch, you could get a present or you could get a cross. Now, what is the probability of you getting a present? Well, it would be 4 out of 14. Okay. Let's say on your third scratch, what is the probability of you getting well, you could get a present or you could get a cross. Now, probability of you getting another present would be 3 out of 13. So let's go back here. Let's say you just picked out a present. What is the probability of you getting a cross? Well, a cross here would be 10 out of 14. Okay, and then hang on. Let's go back to the beginning of time here. You've just scratched a cross here. On your next scratch, you could get a present or you could get a cross. Okay, and here you could get, well, your tree diagram would look like this basically. Hang on, present, cross, present, present, cross. Now let's say you just picked out a cross. What is the probability of you getting scratching a present on your second scratch? Well, well, you haven't touched a present yet, so it would be 5 over 14. Okay, because let's just imagine this is a clean scratch card. You've just picked out this cross here. You still got 5 presents left. So the probability of you getting a present on your next scratch will be 5 over 14, because all you've done is just remove this one here. Okay, so hang on. So this one here. So let's go back to the beginning of time here. You just scratched off a cross. What is the probability of you getting another cross? Well, getting another cross would be 9 out of 14. Okay, let's say you've just scratched a cross. You scratch another cross. What is the probability of you getting another cross? It would be 8 out of 13. Well, just follow this diagram. Probability of you cross, and then a present would be 5 over 13. Okay, so let's go back to the beginning of time. You scratched a present, you scratch a cross. What is the probability of you getting another present here? So it would be 4 out of 13. Okay, and so on. Well, okay, present, not a cross here would be 10 out of 13. And then you slowly build up your map, if you like. Well, anyway, which branches are we interested in? You see, present. This would be a good outcome. That would give you a win, because that means you scratch 3 slots and they all happen to be present. So that would be a good outcome. A present, and a cross. That would be a good outcome, because you scratched 2 presents. Now present, cross, present. This is a good outcome, because here you've got a present here and a present here. Present, not present. Well, cross and cross. Well, this is no good. Let's say you got a cross on your first one, and then on your second scratch you get a present. On your third one you get a present. So this will be a good outcome. Okay, so well, all the others now are bad. Cross, present, cross. This will be bad. Cross, cross, present, bad. Cross, cross, cross. That would be bad. So here you've got 4 branches that you're interested in. So then jump to this thing here. Probability of present, present, present equals, well, we need this whole branch here. So the whole branch, we've got to get this and this and this. Remember, when there's an and, you times. When there's an or, then you add. So at the moment, we are interested in this branch here. So we need this and this and this. So what that means is this. 5 over 15 times 4 over 14 times 3 over 13. Because look at this. 5 over 15 times this and then times this. Now we need present, present, C. Okay, so hang on. Present, probability of present, present, and C equals 5 over 15. Don't forget, we're going down this route here. We need present, so this times present times 10 over 13. Okay, so hang on, times 4 over 14 times 10 over 13. Okay, and then what else? This branch here is good. So we need present, cross, and present. So hang on. Probability of present, cross, present. That would be this branch here. This times this times this. So that's 5 over 15 times 10 over 14. Whatever. 5 over 15 times 10 over 14 times what? Times this thing here. Okay, so 4 over 13. So 4 over 13. And now we've got to look at this branch here, because cross, present, present is still a good outcome. So hang on. Cross, present, present. So that would be 10 over 15. Okay, because if you look at this here, cross is 10 over 15, present is 5 over 14. We haven't done this, but let's say you've gone back to the beginning of time here. You've just picked out a cross, picked out a present. Probability of you getting another present would be 4 out of 13. Okay, so basically to get this branch here, cross, present, present, we've got to get this times this times this. So hang on. So it's times 5 over 14. Hang on, times 5 over 14, and then times 4 over 13. Okay, so now let's jump to calculator. Hang on. So calculator. So we've got 3 fractions that are multiplying each other. So let's get top times top times top, bottom times bottom times bottom. So 5 times 4 times 3 equals 60. Hang on. So this is 60 over 15 times 14 times 13. So hang on. Clear. 15 times 14 times 13 equals 2730. And then this one here, well, we know all the denominators will be the same, so let's just put this in. Now let's get 5. Well, 5 times 4 will be 20 times 10 would be 200. Okay, and this one here, well, I know 15 times 14 times 13 will be 2730. Well, I'm just going to get this times this, that's 20, then times 10 will be 200. And then, well, 15 times 14 times 13, I know will be this. And then, let's get this times this will be 20 times 10 would be 200. Okay, so now, so So now we've got 4 branches. We could go down this branch, or this branch, or this branch, or this branch. Well, when there's an or, you have to add. So basically, we've got to add those 3 branches together. So we've got to add we've got to add this fraction, add it with this, add it with this, add it with this. Okay. Well, all the denominators are the same. So we know that. Hang on. So we could say probability of win equals, well, all the denominators are the same. So we can just do this. Now, so now 200, add 200. Well, at the moment I'm just adding up all the 4 fractions together. So it comes to the number at the top will be 660. Okay, so 660. So this would be our answer here. But let's convert that to a decimal, because it's easier to see probability when it's in a decimal form. So hang on, clear this. 660 divided by 2730 equals 0.24. Okay, so the probability of you winning this kettle by playing this game is 0.24. That's the probability. So roughly 24% chance of you winning this kettle. Okay.